it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you.
And recording! Hi everybody, Peppermint here! Hello, stuffy friends! All my friends! Mommy, they can only see my head. There you are, baby. Yay! So, we tried making this video once, but it took way too long. Mommy, you took too long. Sorry, Peppy. It's okay. Oh yeah, my nickname's Peppy, by the way. Anyway, guess what we are doing? I'll tell you later. Well, we are going on a vacation. Now this will be uploaded after we've gone on our vacation. So all you robbers out there, don't come and steal my friends. Ugh. These bad people these days. Bad people. Anyway, this will be uploaded after we go on vacation. So then robbers won't get us. But, oh yeah, and by the way, thank you so much for 20 subscribers. Well, really 24 to be exact. And 1,000 views on my Build-A-Bear morning routine. How is that? How is that possible? How? Mommy, how's it possible? I don't know, Peppermint. I don't either. Thank you all so much. I got emotional whenever I saw it. Oh, sorry, we got a text from our friend. Anyway, let's see who it is. It is Megan. There we go. Okay, so anyway, back on track. We're going on a trip, and it's a 14-hour flight. So we're not going out of the country or anything. We're just going to a state very far away, where our aunt had moved to. But my shirt represents the place. Mommy, pick me up. Okay. My shirt represents it very well. Alaska! Whee! So, I'm so excited! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Okay, so, Anyways, I'll see you at the airport in the next clip. Bye! This is us at the airport.
Oh, that day.
Are subject to cancellation.
May I have your attention, please, Sam?
Hey, Grandma.
Hey, Peppy.
How you doing?
I am okay. We're finally through security and we're doing fine.
Yay! This is us going to our gate. And this is us waiting for the plane. We'll see you in the next clip on the plane. Bye! Guys, this is us on the airplane, and this is the outside airport. So, yeah, bye! This is another clip on the airplane. Really excited! It's so pretty outside. So excited. So excited. Bye!
Pull it firmly toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Please ensure the plastic bag is clear of the mask.
These are a few more pictures in the airport and on the plane.